Parents often ask me how to stop their children from doing certain things, certain unwanted behaviors that they want to see less of. Things like talking back, hitting, kicking, saying no when you want them to say yes. So oftentimes we think we need to do something when these behaviors occur to stop them. But I'm going to let you guys in on a little secret today. These problems are more of a symptom than the actual underlying foundational issue. And the issue is most often that our children either don't know how to approach that situation in the appropriate way, or are just not adequately motivated to approach it in the right way. So today, I'm going to give you 3 quick tips for improving your child's behavior by increasing their behavioral skills. First, catch them being good. And when I say good, I'm not looking for rocket science here. We're looking for good, age-appropriate behaviors, so look for things that are neutral or better. Your attention is the best tool for improving your child's behavior. Anything you pay attention to, it's going to happen more. So you want to point out to your child exactly what you're paying attention to by labeling it for them. So you could say things to them like, "Great job sitting quietly. Thank you for coming to the table when I asked you." And you just want to point out to them what they're doing that you like so that they know how to get your attention again in the future. Second, ask yourself, what do I want them to do instead when you see challenging behaviors? So rather than feeling like you need to jump in and fix that behavior right now, if you can identify what you would like them to do in that situation in the future, now you're armed with something that you can catch and pay attention to. One thing that's come up at my house a good bit recently is whining when asking for things. And so now I am armed with a praise statement that I can use to catch my children when they ask in a nice, calm way. So now I'm waiting and I'm just finding that moment when they ask appropriately so that I can say, "Awesome job," asking in a nice, calm voice or in a big girl voice or a big boy voice. And third, when you see problem behaviors, talk less. Remember that your attention is behavioral fuel. Anything you pay attention to is going to happen more. So if we pay a lot of attention and talk a lot when there are challenging behaviors, oftentimes we accidentally fuel those behaviors and see them more frequently in the future. If you can begin to use these 3 tips to pay attention to the behavior that you want to see in your child rather than the behaviors you dislike, you should start to see behavioral improvements in your child. As always, if quick tips aren't quite enough, Savannah Behavioral Pediatrics is here to help.